DIY maple pecan latte recipe vertical bar better than Starbucks. Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a refreshing drink that tastes like fall in a glass, an iced maple pecan latte. It's smooth, creamy, and packed with cozy maple sweetness and rich nutty pecan flavor. If you love iced lattes but want something warm, spiced, and comforting at the same time, this one is going to be your new favorite. Let's make it. If you're craving an iced latte that feels cozy and seasonal, you're going to love this iced maple pecan latte. It's sweet, nutty, and creamy with a smooth espresso kick, perfect for early mornings, afternoon energy, or anytime you want a cafe-style drink at home. Ingredients you'll need: 1-2 shots espresso, or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled 3/4 cup milk, whole oat, almond, or your favorite 1-2 tablespoons maple syrup to taste, 1 tablespoon pecan butter or 2 tablespoons, pecan syrup, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, ice optional, topping, whipped cream, chopped toasted pecans, cinnamon, caramel drizzle. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee, then let it cool for a few minutes. If you pour hot coffee over ice, it melts too fast and waters down your drink, so cooling is key. In a small cup, mix your maple syrup with the pecan butter. If the pecan butter is thick, add 1-2 teaspoons of warm water or a splash of milk and stir until smooth. Fill a tall glass with ice. Pour in your maple pecan mixture, then add the cooled espresso. Next, pour in your milk and stir well until everything is blended and creamy. For a calf tea-style finish, top it with whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and toasted chopped pecans. You can even add a light caramel drizzle for extra dessert vibes. And that's it. Sweet, nutty, and perfectly refreshing. And that's how you make a delicious iced maple pecan latte at home. Fun. It's creamy, lightly sweet, and full of cozy maple and nutty pecan flavor, like fall in every sip. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you customized yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more iced coffee drinks, lattes, and cozy recipes. See you next time. Free ebook: Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.